Taking care of your heart with natural products. In this video, we're going to talk about how to take care of your heart with natural products. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Natural substances are often used to prevent cardiovascular disease. Here is an overview of these ingredients that are supposed to lower cholesterol levels. Food supplements are very popular. An American study shows that 75% of patients with heart disease consume natural substances to prevent a relapse. Artichoke leaf, red yeast rice, vegetable oils or green tea are among the many ingredients often mentioned in the context of cardiovascular prevention. However, their effectiveness varies greatly from one product to another. Red yeast rice, a natural statin. This substance comes from the fermentation of rice by a yeast that goes by the charming name of Monascus purpureus. This yeast contains monocolin K, a compound that is also present in statins, the drugs classically prescribed to control cholesterol. Red yeast rice is therefore simply a natural statin. Known in Europe for only about 30 years, it has been used in China for 2,000 years. Plants, vegetable oils and fibers against cholesterol. Taking 2 grams of phytosterols, fats, a day can help reduce overall cholesterol levels as well as bad cholesterol. Phytosterols are contained in certain plants and vegetable oils. Their structure is similar to that of cholesterol, which reduces its absorption through a competitive effect. The same is true for dietary fiber, which has been the subject of several studies. A high consumption of fruits, vegetables or oat bran contributes to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The Federal Office of Public Health recommends 30 grams of dietary fiber per day. Omega-3, the star of fatty acids. Fatty fish, walnuts, almonds, rapeseed oil, soybean oil or walnut oil are foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Their benefits in cardiovascular prevention are now well established, says Professor Roddendy. Omega-3 also helps to reduce mortality in people who have already suffered a myocardial infarction. It is therefore recommended to eat at least 2 portions per week of oily fish, such as salmon, sardines, trout, mackerel. On the other hand, the effectiveness of capsules containing omega-3 has not yet been demonstrated. An adapted diet. Generally speaking, the best way to lower cholesterol levels naturally is to take care of your lifestyle. On paper, the recipe is simple: stop smoking, consume alcohol only in moderation and practice regular physical activity. On the diet side, balanced meals are a must. But it is not always easy to change eating habits that have often been ingrained since childhood. In order not to create frustrations by suddenly depriving yourself, it is better to modify your diet step by step. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.